Today we are making avocado sweet corn salad. Does that sound good? Creamy, crunchy, and all the goodness in one place. Okay, we have avocados, red onions, cucumber, lettuce, and the corn, and some grape tomatoes. And it's a very simple recipe. Watch along and see how to make it. First thing, slice the onions. Cucumber. I'm going to slice the cucumber. Now, lettuce. Chop the lettuce. Then, kind of like so. Slice it like this. There we have our lettuce. And all this long one around. Chop it again into the cubes, nice and cute. Short. Like spaghetti. Okay. Next up, I'm going to slice this tomato. Tomatoes. I want the half. So let's do it. All done slicing, and I put some of that lime on it, or lemon or whatever, so it doesn't go dark forest. And now we are done with slicing. Everything looks beautiful and colorful already. Now let's mix it in the bowl. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, corn, onions, and avocado. Check out making it up. It's sweeter being a sweet. It is sweet for eye first before it's sweet for both. Look, details. Details do, but do. Okay. Now let's put some lemon. Then olive oil. Some salt. Okay. Looks delicious. And I hope you try it, okay? Bye-bye.